Well, gardening friends, this is May 20th. And this is the gardening video. Aren't these peonies pretty? I just love these with the yellow center. I like them much better than all my other peonies. And I think they look nice next to this catnip. And the irises are about done. I need to come out and nip off the buds of these ones that have bloomed. And the Loosestrife is just starting with that. The lilies will be blooming here pretty soon. The daylilies are starting getting ready to bloom. The hardy geraniums are blooming. I ordered some more of those hardy geraniums. Look at all of the daylilies getting ready to bloom. I'm actually those hardy geraniums I ordered. I'm going to take out these daylilies and put them in there. I've got entirely too many daylilies in here. But these are hibiscus. They grow up. The old wood dies every year. And then this is the new wood that comes up out of the ground right here. And the poppies are all finished. And these hardy lilies are getting ready to bloom. Oriental lilies, whatever they are. These are Missouri primrose. Each one of these is a yellow flower. They're pretty. And you can see the daffodils and the lilies are all dying back again. Look at all the Loosestrife. And I've now got 3 roses in here. I don't know why those are brown like that. I should come out and cut those brown blooms off. Maybe that's just because they're done. And I've got sedum in here started to grow, and I think I could go get some wild roses because they're still in this area over here. And look at these hardy lilies here getting ready to bloom. Here is Sweet William. Isn't that nice? The combination of the Sweet William and the Loosestrife together. I like having different colored plants blooming together like that. Here is hardy geranium. I should plant some more of that over here so it can bloom together with the Sweet William and the Loosestrife. Those color combinations, I think they look nice together. Now I ordered some more Loosestrife, some more. I started some seeds for some Sweet Williams I could plant in there, but I also ordered some more hardy geraniums to put back in there. I'm going to see how all the daffodils are laying down. They're going dormant for this year, so what I need is to have something that will cover them up as they start to go dormant, so we won't have these bare places in the flower bed every year. So it's not so bad right here because I've got the Cassandra covering it up. But Cassandra is a ground cover, but it's actually kind of a boring plant because the blooms are insignificant and it's already done blooming for the year. But if you look close, you can see the old growth from last year here, and this is the new green growth here. I kind of like Cassandra for a ground cover because it's not that ferocious. It's not takeover, and it's easy to just dig it up if you don't want it. And look at these irises. Aren't these pretty? Hopefully this will multiply for next year. I'll get some more of them. And these hardy lilies are just getting ready to bloom. Look at those. This is kind of a weedy plant. It has a flower at the top, like a black-eyed Susan or something, but it gets way too tall, and I think I'm going to pull them up. If you cut them off, they just fork and make two of them. So it wasn't that hard to pull up either, so I might just, when I come through a weed, just pull them all up. Here's these, just about done. These peonies I like. This is Solomon's seal, and I just planted it here last year, and look how it's growing already.
Yeah, I know that. I love it.
Yeah, isn't that nice?
Yeah. You want to make the flower you got in the area?
Yeah.
You were doing that last time.
Yeah?
Oh, you can have it every day.
Yeah. I think it'd be nice if I got these irises out here so they're not hanging over in the middle of the path. Yeah. And here's some lupine. I think it's about done blooming.
I love swimming flowers.
You love looking at flowers?
Yeah, the pink one.
This is penstemon. I think it's just getting ready to bloom. It's one of those flowers that's not terribly attractive, but pollinators like it a lot. Isn't that pretty?
Okay, touch it.
You can touch it, just don't pull it off the plant.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got ants on it.
Okay. That one's mine.
Yeah.
Well, that's that flower.
Aren't these pretty? Those are irises.
Yeah,
Aren't those pretty?
No one.
What I need to do is come out and cut off the parts of the flowers where they've already bloomed, like right here. Yeah, you have to ignore those bites.
Yeah, bumblebee.
These are catmint.
Catnip?
Catmint, yeah. Kitties like catmint. Have my seeds started yet? No. Looks like that one's getting ready to start.
The bumblebee. That bumblebee. You see that bumblebee?
Yeah, look at the bumblebee.
Yeah.
Bumblebees like these. Look at all the loosestrife. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah. It's called a candy horse.
Look at this one here getting ready to bloom. It'd be a nice big flower.
Can you touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Oh, what is it?
Yeah.
Then maybe you doesn't need to breathe.
And here's some nice big flowers here too. They're not blooming yet, but look at them. See?
Oh,
Aren't those pretty?
what? You can down there.
Yeah, here's one here. Here's one
You
here.
can down the details.
Here's one here.
You know what?
What?
Mommy got the details. Hey, Dad, that's the details. I like
Yeah.
it's up.
And here's the birdie bath
Yeah.
without no birdies in it.
That's the cup.
That's the birdie bath in there. You ever see the birdies taking a bath?
Yeah. And you should pick up the rock and throw them in the grass.
Oh yeah? don't think my seeds have started yet. These are coral bells. I've had these coral bells here for lots of years. I think they don't bloom, but I think it's only because they don't get enough sunlight over here. Aren't those pretty? Oh no, they're not pretty? No. Here's some peonies over here, but I don't like these peonies too much because they're just pink and... Oh, do you? Yeah. Yeah. Here's my rhododendron over here blooming. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. The flowers on this rhododendron are red. Yeah. Look at all the flowers it's going to have. This rhododendron is taller than you are. Oh, you're not tall? Okay. Yeah, that's a peony. And all these ferns right here, about where the air conditioner is. I'm going to dig it up all the way across there and down to the clematis and try and plant flowers in there yet this year. And look at the raspberries. They're almost ready. Yeah, these are all raspberries right here. Look at that. See? They're just not ready to eat yet. See that? Yeah, but it wouldn't taste any good now. These are clematis. Aren't these pretty flowers? You can touch them, just don't pull them off. Yeah, they're nice. Yeah. And look at all these strawberries I'm going to have. See, these are strawberries, they're just not ready yet. See that? See, when they're green, they're not ready. But then when they turn red, then they're ready, and then we can eat them. Yeah, we can eat strawberries together. Here's a strawberry that's almost ready. Look at that.
Look behind you. Look behind you.
Oh, here's another one. Almost ready.
What about these ones? The red one. That's the red one.
Oh yeah, look at that red one.
It might be red.
Let's take that in the house and give it to Grandma.
Okay.
We'll cut it in half and you and Grandma can divide it. How's that?
Oh, wait, you know the red one.
Do you know what these are right here? These are blueberries. See that?
They're not ready to...
No, they're not ready. They're not ready until they're blue. See, that's green. And this here is asparagus. You don't like asparagus? Oh. These are beets coming up here. Looks like some doggy jumped up in there and was digging holes in the garden. And those are marigolds. These are green jalapeno peppers. A few of those. And these are beets all along here. And here's some carrots. And these are radishes going to seed. Hopefully we have radishes next year from all these seeds. And these are peas. And this is spinach going to seed. I don't know what that is. And this is onions that are growing. Okay. I hope you like our garden, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you next time. Goodbye. Okay.